What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is just going to be a short little video letting you know what's coming. As you guys have seen on the channel, or if you haven't, check out some of the videos of me going to the track, but I do like to track this vehicle. One of the highly recommended mods to do if you do track these vehicles is the oil balancing lines. These lines are installed on the back of the cylinder heads. The FPS 350 comes from the factory stock with oil balancing lines because they know it's a necessary item to have on the vehicle, but the stock GT350 and GT350Rs do not. I'm going to be doing an install video on these, so if you do have a GT350 or a GT350R, definitely stay tuned for that. Especially if you do track them, the lines can be installed in the car. The engine does not have to be dropped out, so that's good. But yeah, shout out to Archetype Racing for these lines. The kit comes with your two lines to go between bank 1 and bank 2 cylinder heads, as well as the fittings, because you're going to be installing those fittings in the back of the heads as well. So stay tuned, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.